My question to Mr. Rajesh Tripathi is on that today's topic is talent management in manufacturing industry. My question is, do you really face any issue on talent management in manufacturing industry?
Prashant, I have one question which, of course, really like a challenge. When you talk about talent and whether it is in corporate or it is in institutions around, somewhere the consensus is not there what is talent. So the one thing which I want to highlight over here is talent is always circumstantial. Now the question which you asked me whether I am having any challenges in terms of getting good talent in my company, yes. Now the challenge is not getting talent per se, what is being seen in market, that is IQ, it is more what is the fitting into my culture. Now, somewhere I really liked Aditya, that Indigo Airlines chief talked about, what is your business strategy? No, we talk a lot about culture around, and I think every company, every HR head in any and every company talks about culture. What culture they talk about, if you really go deep into that, they don't understand that. Now, somewhere rightly he picked up, they said, what is your business strategy? If you have the right business strategy in place, culture will come automatically with that. For example, if I say GSCL, I'm working for, we are having low-cost strategy, the way Indian Indigo is having. The moment you talk about low-cost strategy, you means you are not marketing your product on premium. It means the product is somewhere is getting into commoditization. The moment you talk about commoditization, the talent has to come, which is having some mentality towards the frugality of the behavior. If it is not there, for example, if I say, I'm a person who is into using high premium products, myself, individually. And we are talking to the person, how can he be working in a company which is working on frugality? So that challenge, of course, I'm having. Second thing which I'm having, Prashant, is in manufacturing per se, of course, I don't know how many of my friends will agree with this or not. This is the only sector so far which has all sort of generations working together. So baby boomers to X, Y, Z, and all that. If you compare with the new age industries, of course, they are primarily run by Y generation or G generation, millennials or other generations, but not the baby boomers or X generations. Here, whatever policy, whatever you want to frame, you have to be very careful that the policies really run through all the generations in a very uniform manner. Anything which goes beyond anyone's acceptance level is becoming a challenge for me. So that's what I can say as of now. Then proceed further.